Good morning. It is Sunday, April 19th, and we're at the Kalahari Pocono Builders Association Home Show. So this is where contractors from the area get to showcase what they do. You get to meet them in person. Instead of booking an appointment or anything like that, you can find out who you're working with or possibly working with. So we got a couple really good companies here. This is my first time at the home show for 10 Point Roofing. So come check us out if you haven't already. We're gonna go hit a couple other booths for people that I really like in the industry. So come follow me. One company that I really love over here in East Stroudsburg is MESKO Glass. We've got Eric, the actual owner of the company. What they specialize is in auto glass, window replacements, and shower enclosures. Nobody does it better than Eric MESKO and his team. So follow me.
Thanks, guys.
Lowe's is here. We've got Leaf Guard. Another company that I really love is Pure Sight and Sound. What Pure Sight and Sound does is they do home theaters. Just a couple things that they live by. Your system will work perfectly. It will be uniquely yours. And they have the grandma guarantee, which is?
We guarantee grandma can use your system with little or no training. That's how we set it up.
Technology can be daunting nowadays, so Pure Sight and Sound has done everything they could to make it easy for you and your family. So come head over to the next one. What's up? How we doing? Good. Face painting for the kids this morning. So we are here from 10 o'clock until 3 o'clock today. So if you have time, it's rainy, it's cold. I know you don't want to be inside, so come out and check it out at the home show. We have another really special company here. We have Brian and Jacob from BROOKSTONE NORDIC saunas. What they do is they handcraft your sauna for your home. They could do it inside, they could do it outside, they could do it on top of your house. I'm just kidding, they can't do that. You don't want to do that. So here are the owners. We got Brian Davis.
Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you very much.
Jacob's here. Can you tell them a little bit about what you do and kind of what the turnaround time is for something like this?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is an outdoor sauna. Turnaround time is about 2 weeks or so for one of these saunas. This is a wood-burning sauna and completely insulated, 2 tiers of benching, finished style saunas, both electric and wood-burning.
Yes.
And we do indoor saunas as well.
You're looking to complete your Pocono retreat? Come up and see us over at Kalahari. We'll be at the home show all day today. It'll be great to see you guys.
All right, great.
Thank
you guys. Yep. Pocono Exteriors is a little bit busy, but what he is showcasing today is his jacuzzis, okay? So, Nigel, you got a second? Yeah? We'll come back, all right? So with that being said, you can pretty much find any contractor or any service here in the Poconos that you'd be looking for. So come visit us at the home show today from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock.